Fatigue is a persistent state. It's often misunderstood because people assume it's just tiredness, but it can impact every aspect of your life. Your ability to concentrate, to be physically active, or even to maintain relationships. It's crucial to understand the difference. Constant lack of energy, trouble concentrating, unexplained muscle aches, low motivation, irritability or mood swings. If this sounds familiar, you might be dealing with more than just tiredness. Fatigue needs to be addressed differently, so what can you do? Recognizing the signs is the first step. Managing fatigue involves a balance of self-care, medical advice, and lifestyle adjustments. And sometimes, the hardest part is explaining it to others, because fatigue is often invisible. You might hear, "You just need more sleep," or, "You should exercise more." While well-meaning, these comments can sometimes feel dismissive because they miss the core issue. Fatigue isn't about pushing through, it's about listening to your body in a deeper way. Instead of simply fighting it, focus on pacing yourself. Take time to rest when you need it, and prioritize activities that nourish you, both mentally and physically. Fatigue may not be something you can always control, but it's something you can manage with understanding, patience, and care. Remember, you're not just tired, you have fatigue. And that's okay. Give yourself permission to slow down, and know that you're not alone in this journey. Take care of yourself, because you're worth it.